Hello, Nomad Sculpt and Procreate. Teamwork, Part 2, a picture frame. And this picture frame is much trickier than it looks like because Procreate and Nomad Sculpt have really problems, every app on its own. But okay, let's do it. Let's go to the Nomad Sculpt app, and this is such a picture frame. Let's create a new one. Yes. We don't need the sphere. We start with a plane. Set the rotation snap to 45 degrees. And now bring the plane in the front view and validate this object. Now we use the trim function, turn off hole filling, turn off the symmetry, and use rectangular. And now we trim the cross section of the frame. I think this one, and use the ellipse tool. You can create your own frame shape. I create, yes, this one. Okay, use the selection mask, mask this part like this, and extract it 10, it's okay, and extract the shell. Top view, gizmo, and scale the object. There's a plane left, we can delete it. In the top view, we can use the symmetry. At the bottom is gizmo edit, and change to other tool. Now you can change the gizmo for the symmetry plane. Bring it in position and rotate it 45 degrees and mirror the object from the left to the right. Now rotate the mirror again like this, bring it in a position like this one, and mirror from the left to the right. Now your frame is ready. Use the gizmo, turn local off, and now you can bake the gizmo, and use the symmetry function again. Go to the clay tool or other tool and rotate the symmetry of the gizmo and turn the gizmo edit off. And now we can use the gizmo to, in combination with the symmetry, to scale the frame. Use a other plane, the set plane, and now you can scale it in this direction. Okay, first part is the frame, but we can't use it like this because the UV map doesn't work on this object. Use the selection mask or a cell mask, turn off the symmetry, mask one part of this, and extract it with a shell of 0. Extract it. Go to the symmetry. Local, no. Sorry, we have to go a step back. Go to the gizmo, settings, and move origin. And now we extract the shell. Go to the symmetry, mirror from the right to the left. Okay, the next parts, clear the mask, clear it here, and mask this part and extract the shell. Use the symmetry, set plane, right to the left, yes. Okay, we don't need this frame. Okay, it's ready. Let's test the UV map. We can go to the topology. Okay, and here, next part is important. Use in the debug settings, add BBF UVs. This, turn it on and unwrap it. Okay, here the UV map works. It's okay. We need the passepartout. Add a cylinder. Division is 4. Rotate the cylinder 45 degrees. Add a hole. And now you can adjust the radius to fit in the frame like this. And you can adjust the hole. And you, when you're fine, you can validate this object. Now we use the symmetry again. Not this direction, this one. Turn symmetry on the left side and scale. Oops. It doesn't work. Why? We have to use the arrow in the top view. I think it's okay. We can make it a little bit thinner. Solo view. Like this. Okay. Now we use a cell mask again. Rectangular. Mask this part. Extract it. And mirror is okay. Right to the left, yes. Clear the mask. And mask this part. Extract it. And use the symmetry. And mirror it from the right to the left, yes. This frame we don't need anymore. We can delete it. Use this one. Unwrap. This one. Unwrap. Okay. Solo view off. The last thing is the canvas. Here we have to use a box. Use a box. Division to 1. Or 0. 0 is okay. And we can scale it. I think it works. And validate the object. And go to the top view in this, okay, cell mask. Select this one and extract it. The box we don't need anymore. Use the gizmo and bring the object in position. Okay, I think it's, yes, it should work. This mesh we can also unwrap. Now the parts are ready. Let's test it. Go to the files, export, OBJ. Yes, everything is fine. Export it and go to Procreate. This is the new file. Yes, we can go back, delete this one, go back to Nomad. Let's select all parts and rotate the object to the front view. And export it again. Now we got our picture frame in Procreate. Yoo-hoo. And now we can test the frame. Okay. Fill layer. And this one, let's make it golden. I think it works. And this one, we can paint like this. Okay, and let's place a picture. This one is active. Import photo. It's on the wrong layer. Okay. Import photo. Now it's okay. And place it here. Okay, fine. And let's test it in Nomad Sculpt. Export it. OBJ. Files. Sichern. Save. And now come on. And bring it to Nomad. Turn off UV. And oops. Turn off the wire and hide the other. And you can rotate the object. A nice picture frame and a lot of work. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.